Today, we'll be discussing the difference between single-phase and three-phase wiring construction. In a single-phase system, the transformer has a single insulated wire wound on an iron core. This wire carries the alternating current that powers the device it's connected to. In a three-phase system, there are three insulated wires wound alternatively over the iron core. These wires are connected in a way that allows the current to flow smoothly and efficiently. As you can see, the three-phase system is more efficient than the single-phase system because it uses multiple phases to distribute the load evenly. This allows for more power to be delivered with less voltage drop and fewer losses. So, that concludes our lecture on single-phase and three-phase wiring construction. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.